Hello everyone, I'm Brad Hosler.
And I'm Allie Hosler. We're leading the team at DryTech Exteriors, your trusted ally for hail damage roof repair and replacement in Dayton, Ohio. Hailstorms can be brutal on your roof, and understanding the extent of damage and the necessary steps for repair is essential to maintaining your home's safety and value.
Hail damage can vary widely from superficial dents to deep punctures that compromise your roof's integrity. At DryTech Exteriors, we specialize in assessing and repairing hail-damaged roofs with precision and care. Our aim is to not only repair or replace the damage, but also to reinforce your roof's ability to withstand future hail events, ensuring long-term protection for your home.
What's our process for understanding hail damage? Well, it starts with our thorough inspection service. When you reach out to us post-hailstorm, we expedite your service request to assess the extent of the damage. Our team is trained to identify all forms of hail damage, some of which can be subtle, yet harmful if left unaddressed. We then craft a tailored plan that addresses both the immediate damage and enhances the overall resilience of your roof. This process usually involves meeting with your insurance company to advocate on your behalf.
Addressing hail damage is not just about aesthetics. It's about restoring the full functionality and protection level of your roof. Improperly addressed hail damage can lead to leaks, diminished life expectancy of your roofing materials, and even structural issues over time. That's why it's critical to entrust your roof to a company that not only understands the nuances of hail damage, but also possesses the expertise and equipment to repair it effectively.
So why choose DryTech Exteriors for your hail damage repair needs? Well, our dedication to excellence and our proactive approach set us apart. Our team comprises experienced professionals who utilize the highest quality materials and the latest repair techniques to ensure your roof is not just repaired, but fortified against future hail impacts. Our comprehensive warranties provide you with the assurance that your investment is secure and your roof is robust. We work with all insurance companies and have wonderful relationships with the local adjusters. We are absolutely excellent at advocating on your behalf.
Our reputation in Dayton is a testament to our commitment and quality. DryTech Exteriors has constantly been recognized as the best of Dayton, a favorite on the Nextdoor Community app, and we're honored to have received the Better Business Bureau Eclipse Integrity Torch Award. Our Owens Corning Platinum Preferred status is a reflection of our unwavering dedication to customer satisfaction, quality, and financial stability. Our numerous 5-star reviews underscore our commitment to excellence and customer care, especially in the aftermath of a hailstorm.
Hail damage to your roof is more than just surface level concerns. It can affect your home's protection and long-term durability. With DryTech Exteriors, you're choosing a partner skilled in comprehensive hail damage and insurance dealings. Don't let hail damage compromise your roof's integrity. Contact our family-owned business for a detailed assessment. Let us help you navigate the process smoothly and efficiently, restoring your roof and your peace of mind.